One second the sky is clear, the next a glowing orb is floating right in front of you, hovering like it has a mind of its own. No, you're not dreaming, and no, it's not some sci-fi nonsense. This is ball lightning, one of the most mysterious and least understood natural phenomena on Earth. It appears out of nowhere, defies the laws of physics as we know them, and then, poof, vanishes just as quickly. Some say it explodes. Some say it passes through walls. And some even say it leaves behind the smell of sulfur, like a ghost with a bad diet. But what exactly is it? And why do scientists still have zero solid answers about how it works? Regular lightning? We get it. A giant electrical discharge from a storm cloud to the ground makes sense. But ball lightning? It's like the universe decided to play a prank on physics. These glowing spheres can range from the size of a golf ball to a freaking beach ball. They float, they spin, they drift through the air like they're sightseeing, and they're completely unpredictable. People have reported them rolling down streets, hovering over water, and get this, passing through walls like they don't care about your basic understanding of matter. And just when you think you've seen it all, they either silently fade away or explode with a loud bang. Sometimes, they even leave burn marks on the ground, like they wanted to make sure you'd never forget them. But here's the real kicker, no one knows what they are. Not fully. You'd think with all our modern technology, we'd have this figured out by now. Nope. Scientists have been scratching their heads over ball lightning for centuries, throwing out theories like darts at a board. Here are the main contenders. Plasma theory. Some researchers believe ball lightning is a type of plasma, superheated, electrically charged gas that forms into a glowing sphere. Sounds logical, but then why does it last so much longer than regular lightning? Silicon vapor theory. This one suggests that when lightning strikes the ground, it vaporizes silicon-rich soil, creating a floating ball of burning silicon. Cool idea, but it doesn't explain why ball lightning sometimes appears indoors where there's zero soil to vaporize. Microwave cavity theory, a wild but interesting one. It suggests ball lightning is a sort of natural microwave bubble, trapping energy in a way that keeps it glowing and moving. But how does it form? No one knows. Antimatter theory. Yeah, this one sounds like straight-up sci-fi, but some scientists think ball lightning could be caused by antimatter, particles that annihilate regular matter when they meet, releasing bursts of energy. If true, that means ball lightning is literally defying the known rules of the universe. Casual. Quantum vacuum fluctuations. This is where physics gets really weird. Some believe ball lightning could be tapping into vacuum energy, the energy of empty space itself. If that's true, then this phenomenon could be messing with forces we don't even fully understand yet. Ball lightning isn't just a lab experiment gone wrong. People have been seeing it for centuries. Even famous figures like Benjamin Franklin and Nikola Tesla wrote about it. But some cases are so bizarre they sound made up, except they're real. In 1978, a woman in the Soviet Union saw a glowing ball float through her closed window, move around her apartment, and then silently disappear. No broken glass. No burn marks. Just pure confusion. In 2014, Chinese scientists studying a thunderstorm accidentally recorded ball lightning with a high-speed camera. It lasted for over a second and had traces of silicon and iron in it, supporting the vaporized soil theory. But even with video proof, scientists still don't fully understand it. Some airplane pilots have even seen ball lightning inside the cockpit. Imagine flying at 30,000 feet and suddenly a glowing orb just drifts in like it paid for a ticket. So is ball lightning dangerous? Short answer, sometimes. While some orbs just float around looking mysterious, others explode with the force of a small bomb. People have reported burns, house fires, and even minor injuries from unexpected ball lightning encounters. One particularly wild report from the 1800s claims a ball lightning explosion killed 4 people inside a church after it entered through a window and split into multiple smaller orbs. A real-life boss battle. So while most encounters are harmless, if you ever see a glowing sphere of light floating in your room, maybe don't try to touch it. Unless you want to be the next unsolved science mystery. Ball lightning is like that one friend who shows up unannounced, makes a scene, and then disappears without explanation. It's rare, unpredictable, and breaks almost every rule of physics we know. Despite centuries of research, we still don't have a definite answer for what it is or how it works. But hey, that just makes it one of the coolest unsolved mysteries on Earth. And, if you just realized you spent all this time learning about floating fireballs, congratulations. You officially have the most interesting fact to drop at your next awkward conversation. Oh, and subscribe if you don't want ball lightning showing up in your bedroom at 3 a.m. Just saying.